Today we are starting on the field that we left off on Friday. I've got to test these beans here at our tester in the bin shack to see what they're reading. Combine wasn't giving us an accurate number, so I came back to the farm to see what they're at. 15.8. I think I'll take another sample. Well, I got two different readings. First one 15.8, second one 15.9. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, they didn't seem like they were even that wet. They didn't look wet. They didn't feel wet. And we're a little smoky. That don't look good.
See nothing wrong.
You see where it's coming from?
Belt tension is seems loose, so it's slipping.
Well, it's definitely hot. Very hot. Just doesn't want to quit. Can you take the cover off here to get a better look? So it's the big one here? That's the one that was hot?
Well, yeah, this big belt here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The main one that runs the blower.
Well, they just unhooked that PTO for the blower, and going to go down to the other end of the field where the service truck is so we can get some tools to tighten the belt back up, and then it should be just fine. So that belt for the air bar ended up being shot. It was pretty crispy once they looked into it a little bit more. So that will be coming tomorrow, and then they'll put that one on, but for the meantime we're just running without it. And this morning I had said that, or I showed you guys that the moisture was at 15.8. So what we ended up having to do, we just decided to combine and then put it in our wet bin and just put air on it to dry it down a little bit. Throughout the day the wind has really been high, so it's slowly drying out, but we decided to start taking them into the elevator now. So we just finished up 180 acres, and now we're moving down the road to another field, which is a quarter. So we're going to get started on that. It's 6:15 right now, so I don't know how late we'll be going, but that's the plan for the rest of the night. Well, day 5 of beans, right, Bo? Is it day 5?
I haven't been counting.
Okay, well, whatever. It's somewhere around there. Early morning, starting, no dew last night, so we're gonna get going. You gonna service your combine?
Yeah.
And I gotta grease my cart?
Yep.
Alright.
Go.
Okay. Want me to start her up for you?
If you would, yeah.
Okay.
You do it whatever you want.
Get her choker. I'm out of grease, so I gotta change this. I have to grease the axles again. We do it once a day. I usually have a rag to clean these zerks off. So you don't want to get dirt or anything inside your zerks. My tractor has enough fuel in it already, so I don't need to do any fueling up, but I'll check my oil, see what that's at, and see if I need to add any. Looks good. I'm going to change my cab air filter here. These beans get pretty dusty, so it's good to blow out this filter. I think I'm set to go. I'll just go see if Dad and Bo need help getting their combines ready. Whoopie! What happened? What'd you
I got
do?
it back on here, but this fell off. The air bar fell off. So I adjusted it over on that other field, so it must have been right at the end.
Oh, it's just right here then.
Yeah,
So you gotta
so
go in
it's
the
just got to
groove.
go back in. So
Okay.
I got to go on that end and pull the bar. You can just give her a push.
Okay. We just finished up this quarter that we started later last night. Now the guys are unhooking the headers and we're moving on to the next field. We're backed up. Trucks are all full. Both combines been sitting here waiting. My cart will be full here in just a few minutes. Well, we're on day 7 or 8. I don't know what. Sorry, I lost track. 7 or 8. And we just got caught in some rain. The guys had to hurry up and get out of the beans, and I had to fly down and dump them so they could close their hoppers. And so that I could close my cart. We weren't expecting this shower, it just kind of popped up out of nowhere. So they're hurrying up and blowing these leaves off so they don't stick to the headers and combine. Oh, it's really starting to come down now. I'm gonna go in, get in the cab. Well, that escalated quickly. I went from about a 2 to a 10 in a matter of just a few seconds. I'm thinking that's gonna, well, I shouldn't say I'm thinking that's gonna end. I know that's gonna end any combining today. Gonna unload this in one of the trucks and then call it a day.
You kind of got the shafts on that, Steve.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give you the blower, but you keep it.
I don't know what's going on here. That doesn't look good.
Bo told me I had to cut these springs.
So it sounds dangerous, it looks dangerous, but it isn't really that dangerous.
No, you should have been here earlier because we were both kind of scared.
Should I go get Bo? Do we need reinforcements?
We need commentary.
I'll go get him. I don't know what he's doing in here. He's probably having coffee. It's probably coffee break time. Oh, oh, he's filing. Jangles! Must have rounded out a bolt.
Oh, Mark cross-threaded them all, so
Oh,
restoring them.
so we don't buy new ones around here. We just file the grooves in.
He made me do this because the reason I'm doing this is because he threatened to sue me if he gets hurt. Yep.
So now if you get hurt, then it's no big deal.
Well, that's what he said.
Well,
you can keep farming anyway.
Well, we need the most valuable person around, so that'd be Bo.
Sacrifice this guy.
Yeah, we sacrifice this one.
Typical.
I suppose we should explain why we're torching these springs off.
No, we're doing it just for ratings.
Oh. Okay.
We just destroy things for ratings. We're like whistling diesel over here. Just brand new ripper. Brand new ripper. Cutting her apart. I don't want to do this anymore. Oh, you do it. It's just the last little bit. You're almost there. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Finish it. I don't have nothing to hide behind. We're hiding behind you.
We'll just stay back. Oh my God!
That's only one of them. I'm gonna cut like 10 of them. Ooh, that's hot yet.
So,
Okay, so
I
you
don't-
want to know what happened here?
yeah, let's get the little rundown on what's going on.
Bo, you explain it.
This is your ripper. You did it.
The bolt, the big internals here, they're wearing this casting out prematurely from just working a little bit, and I don't know if they're put together not quite right or something. That one's shot, that one's shot, this one's going out. You can see the rust here, the filings from the metal on metal.
Yep.
And then that one's doing the same thing, and you can see the one next to it isn't. So I don't know why these four.
So this one has the rust.
Yeah, it's fine. These
two don't.
Yeah, on each end, they're fine. The two on each end are fine. It's these four in a row here that are, for some reason, wearing out prematurely. See how that collar is lifting?
Mm-hmm.
Now that one isn't.
It is a little bit, but the end one isn't.
So yeah, now we're going to bring it back in the shop, and we're going to take the crane and hook onto these and lift them off and put the new ones on.
Ahead. No, ahead.
So this will end today's video. We got one done. This is what it's supposed to look like. That's the correct way. Then you compare it to that one. It's not pretty. So, no combining this weekend. We got an inch of rain last night and today, correct?
Inch and a quarter.
Inch and a quarter.
Supposed to rain tomorrow and Sunday.
Oh yeah, tomorrow. So we probably won't be in the field till middle of next week. What'd you say?
Probably. I gotta go down to the Litchfield and pick up some.
Stock stompers.
That's in Hutchinson.
That's in Hutchinson. No, I gotta go to Agri Systems and get some grain pumps for the top of the bins.
Oh, that's what you'll be doing then.
Yeah, if it rains. Where are we? I'll go on Monday. Leave Monday. Come back.
And then, Bo, what are you gonna do?
They'll be drinking coffee.
Sweep the sun off the sidewalk and drink coffee.
That's a good plan. Or tip a few back, campfire.
Yeah.
Be last weekend.
He put an exhaust manifold on, or I mean an exhaust manifold gasket. He did the wrong one, so now it's leaking still. These are all warranty parts, so good thing Underberth is taking care of. North Star Egg taking care of us. I think they're like $1,000 or something, or more a piece.
Yeah, I believe that.
I asked him, I said, how do you take these springs apart? And he says, well, we got a special machine that puts them together before you get them. So no, you can't take them apart. So that's why Bo was standing so far away.
He was nervous that they were going to explode.
When I was cutting that off, all I could think about is there's a special machine that puts this thing together. And then when
And
Bo...
we were unbolting this. He's
Yeah.
having me take bolts out of here. And
he was unbolting these big bolts here, and he says, and he was standing back, he said, this big leg's gonna mule kick him. He said, the thing's just gonna come out and blow him right into the door, he said. I said, yeah, the teeth would go flying, there'd be a blood spot on the door. You just don't know
yeah, you never know with that stuff though, you know.
how much pressure in which direction,
Mm-hmm.
especially when it's not
Broken.
right. Yeah, it's broke. We went through, this is our second set of tips and wear points, but other than that, it's been doing pretty good.
2 videos ago now, I had them comment on where they were watching from. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That was fun to see.
A lot of you guys commented, and I read every single one. And some of them I looked up on Google to see exactly where they were.
Yeah.
That was really cool.
Should name off a few.
Nova Scotia. Bo, you remember some?
South Carolina,
Romania,
Georgia.
Philippines, Australia.
Yeah, a lot of
Germany.
Australians.
And then that one gal was
Norwegians.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A
A lot of way up north.
Oh yeah, up in
Canadians.
our Canadian friends.
Yeah, our Canadian friends.
Yeah.
So very cool.
Yeah, they're ways up there.
Yeah. That was fun to read. So this week, we decided we want to know what your favorite tractor is. So let us know in the comments.
Favorite tractor of all time.
Favorite
40,
tractor
20,
of all
12,
time.
6.
Anything. Doesn't matter what color it is.
Yep.
We don't care.
We don't care. Unless it's green. Then it's better. No, I'm just kidding.
No. All right. Well, we'll see you guys next week.
Peace.